Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix packet loss. If you are playing Rocket League and you keep getting packet loss, lag, sprig and delayed control, don't worry. In this video, I will explain what packet loss is and how you simply fix it. First, what is packet loss? Packet loss happens when some of the data traveling between your game and the Rocket League server doesn't arrive properly. When that happens, your car may jump, freeze, or feel delay. If you are on Wi-Fi, try switching to an Ethernet cable. Wired internet is more stable than wireless and reduce packet loss as lot. Unplug the modem and the router. Wait for 30 seconds, then plug back in. This refresh your connection. If other people are streaming, downloading or gaming on the same network, packet loss can happen. Pause those activities while you play. You can also go to the Rocket League setting, find tournament or matching region and set it to the region closest to you. Playing on faraway server increase packet loss. Make sure the game and your console are fully updated. Update often fix network issues. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.